Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kenaston, Saskatchewan is a small prairie village located about 80 kilometers south of Saskatoon along Highway 11, the Louis Riel Trail. With a population of just over 200 residents, Kenaston is a quiet agricultural community that reflects the broader character of rural life on the Canadian prairies. Its location places it within easy reach of larger centres, while still maintaining a distinctly local and close-knit atmosphere. The village was established in the early 1900s during the wave of settlement that followed the expansion of railways across Saskatchewan. Kenaston was officially incorporated in 1909. Like many communities in the region, its growth was tied to the arrival of the railway, which provided essential access for settlers, farming equipment, and grain shipments. Early residents were primarily immigrants from Europe, many of whom were drawn by the promise of affordable farmland and a chance to build new lives. Agriculture has always been the foundation of Kenaston's economy. The surrounding area is made up of fertile prairie farmland where crops such as wheat, barley, and canola are grown. Over time, farming methods have evolved, with larger and more efficient operations replacing smaller family farms. Despite these changes, agriculture continues to define the pace of life in and around Kenaston, and the landscape remains dominated by open fields and wide horizons. Kenaston is perhaps best known as the birthplace of John Diefenbaker, who would go on to become the 13th Prime Minister of Canada. He was born in 1895 and spent part of his early life in the area. His connection to the village remains an important part of its identity, linking this small prairie community to the broader national story. The surrounding prairie landscape is one of Kenaston's defining features. The land stretches out in all directions, offering a sense of openness that is both peaceful and expansive. In the growing season, fields are filled with vibrant greens, while harvest brings golden tones that define the prairie experience. Today, Kenaston remains a small but enduring part of Saskatchewan's rural landscape. Its history, agricultural roots, and connection to one of Canada's prime ministers give it a unique place in the province's story. Thanks for watching.